Good morning, everyone. Happy Yoga Day to all of you. We know that today is International Yoga Day. We all know that yoga keeps us fit physically as well as mentally. To keep us physically fit, we do yoga asanas, and for mental relaxation, we do meditation. DAV Public School, Goal Market, invite you to celebrate International Yoga Day. It's a request. Kindly mute your mics and open your cameras. Do you know the first International Yoga Day was celebrated on June 21st, 2015 across the world with zeal and enthusiasm, especially in India. The idea of first Yoga Day was proposed by the current Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly on 27 September 2014. The date 21st June was assigned for the occasion as it is the longest day. It is the longest day when the sun is out at its most compared to the other days of the year. The first celebration in 2015 at Rajpath created two Guinness World Records. First is maximum number of attendees in the yoga class were 35,985. Second, 84 nations joined the same. Every year, we have a new theme. In 2015, the theme was Yoga for Heart. In 2016, theme was Connect the Youth. In 2017, it was Yoga for Health. In 2018, the theme was Yoga for Peace. In 2019, it was Climate Action. So it is our 6th International Yoga Day. And the theme for this year is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. Now, let's start our class. With Om chanting 3 times. Take a deep breath. Om. Om. Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsya Viturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Now gently open your eyes. Stretch your legs. Spine straight, shoulders back. Now rotate your feet. Knees straight for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Hold your right leg for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Take a deep breath. Relax. Now butterfly pose. Join your both feet like this. Join the soles of the feet. Hold with your hands. Now for 20 seconds, we have to tap our knees to the floor. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Take a deep breath. Relax. Now come in Vajrasana. For 5 seconds. Smile on your face. If we do yoga with smile on our face, happy hormones release. We feel happy, energetic, and healthy. So smile on your face. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's do Gomukhasana. Sit on your heels like this. Right hand up. Left hand from there. And hold the both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. From the other side, do it according to your capacity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Take a deep breath. Now, Paschim Namaskar. Namaste is very famous. Indian Namaste is famous in all over the world in the present situation. So, Namaste everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Take a deep breath. Forward, hands forward. Make a fist. Rotate, elbows straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Now, hands up. Shoulders Hands on the shoulders. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Take a deep breath. Relax. One more time. Now stand up. For Dandasana. Hands forward. Interlock. Up. Come on your feet. Come on your toes. Heels up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Take a deep breath. One more time. Forward. Interlock. Up. Go to the right direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Center. Left direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Center. Relax. Take a deep breath. One more time. Now ready for tree pose. Vrikshasana. Right thigh, right foot on the left thigh. Concentrate. Forward. सामने एक बिंदु बना लें और उसकी ओर देखते रहें. Elbow straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Opposite direction. Left foot on right thigh. Hands up. Elbow straight. सामने की ओर देखेंगे एक ही जगह पर लगातार. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Natarajasana. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Right hand forward. Hold your left ankle with your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep breath. Left hand forward. Hold your right ankle with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Take a deep breath. Now lie down on your abdomen. Hands near the waist. Feet flat on the floor. Now come up. This is Ardha Bhujan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now do the Poon Bhujan. Elbows straight. Look at the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now slowly comes down. Take a deep breath. Both your hands in the forward direction. Right hand up and left leg. Right hand and left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now left hand and right leg. Take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Take a deep breath. Now head up, both hands and both feet for 5 seconds only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now come in Sukhasana. Fingers like this. Take a deep breath. One more time. Now we will do pranayama for mental relaxation. First is Bhastrika. In this we have to inhale and exhale deeply. When we inhale, abdomen come out, and when we exhale, it goes in to the spine. So let's start. Close your eyes. We will do it for 5 times. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Again. One more time. Last time. Open your eyes. This was Bhastrika. Now Kapalbhati. In this we have to, first we will inhale and then we exhale and exhale and exhale. Abdomen goes in, out, in, out. सांस यहाँ नाक से आंखें बंद करके नाक यहाँ से यहाँ तक सांस छोड़ते जाइए. सिर्फ छोड़ना है एक ही बार लेने के बाद. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ. 20 टाइम्स करेंगे. रिलैक्स. अब सांस को लेके 10 सेकेंड्स तक होल्ड करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Second round. Take a deep breath. फिर से 20 बार छोड़ेंगे. Relax. Take a deep breath and hold it for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Exhale. Last round. Take a deep breath. Start for 20 times. Relax. Take a deep breath and hold it for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Open your eyes and relax. Now we will do Alom Vilom. It's also a breathing exercise. Pranayam. Your thumb, make a mudra like this. Your thumb and the ring finger. इन दो को यूज करेंगे और ये दो फिंगर्स ऐसे बंद. First, we take a deep breath. Right side पे बंद करेंगे and exhale from left side. Take a breath from left side. Left को बंद करो, right पे exhale. Now right, बंद, exhale from left. Inhale from left, exhale from right. Inhale from right, one, exhale from left, inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left, inhale from left, exhale from right, exhale, inhale from right, exhale from left. रिलैक्स. हमने राइट को बंद करके लेफ्ट की ओर एक्सेल करके इस अपने राउंड को खत्म किया. नाउ भ्रामरी. थंब से अपने कानों को बंद करेंगे. फोरहेड पे 2 फिंगर्स. आईज 2 फिंगर से फोरहेड पे ये वाली सेकंड फिंगर. आईज को इससे बंद. नोज के नीचे यहां पर. कानों को हल्का सा प्रेशर देके बंद करेंगे. सांस लेंगे और मुंह बंद करके गले से छोड़ेंगे. एक आवाज आएगी. 5 टाइम्स करेंगे. Last time. Relax. Now उज्जैन. मुंह को बंद करेंगे. गले से ही सांस लेंगे और फिर लेफ्ट साइड की नॉस्ट्रिल से एक्सेल करेंगे और एक आवाज आएगी गले से. जब हम सांस लेंगे एब्डोमेन विल कम आउट और फिर उस भरी हुई सांस को 5 सेकेंड्स तक होल्ड करेंगे. एक्सेल। फिर से सांस लेंगे। Exhale. One more time. Exhale. Now, ready for meditation? Close your eyes. आपके आसपास एकदम साइलेंट मोड हो जाए. Anything that gives you sound, please keep it at mute mode. एक ओम की साउंड आपको सुनाई देगी. क्लोज योर आईज. अपना पूरा ध्यान सेंटर ऑफ द आईब्रोज, आईज क्लोज. परमात्मा को याद करेंगे ताकि वो आपको हेल्दी रखे, हैप्पी रखे. बंद आंखों में इसके साथ आप चैंट कर सकते हो. Eyes should be closed. 3 times Om chant. Take a deep breath. गायत्री मंत्र. ओम भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. ओम शांति शांति शांति. बंद आंखों में रब योर हैंड्स जोर से. पूरी बॉडी पे इसको टच करें. बंद आंखों में गॉड से मन में बंद आंखों में प्रेयर करेंगे. हमें हेल्दी रखे, सभी बुराइयों से हमें दूर रखे, हम अच्छे मार्ग की ओर जाएं, हम घर पे रह के सेफ और हेल्दी रहें। Now, gently open your eyes. I hope you all enjoyed the class. You feel happy and relaxed. So if you enjoy the class, do like this. Smile. Happy. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye. Happy Yoga Day. Bye to everyone.